Hello, good day to all my dear students. I am Rashid Lal, your English teacher. Today's topic is name tree. Okay, dear student, see these are the trees of name. So I will give you characteristics of the name tree. Name trees are fast growing medium sized trees, usually attaining a height of 50 to 65 feet. Its trunk is short and straight with deeply fissured bark. The peanut leaves are purple red when young, developing to a medium green color when mature. It is native tree of Sindh and Karachi. Government of Sindh declares neem as provincial tree of Sindh. It is also used in many medicines. So she is Elsa Kazi, who wrote the poem Neem Tree. Introduction of the poetess. The poem Neem Tree is written by Mrs. Elsa Kazi, German wife of Allama Imdad Ali Imam Ali Kazi. Short name is Allama I. Kazi, Vice Chancellor of Sindh University, Jamshoro. Mrs. Elsa Kazi was born in Germany in 1881. She married to Allama I. Kazi in 1910. Later 1 year of their marriage, they came to Sindh where she spent her life ahead. She wrote many one-act plays, stories, novels, and poems, including the famous academic poem The Neem Tree. She contributed greatly in English and German literature. With her poems for kids, she also assisted Allama I. Kazi for writing his book Brown Girl in Search of God. Elsa Kazi died on May 28, 1967 in Hyderabad and was buried beside her husband Allama I. Kazi at Sindh University, Jamshoro. Word meaning: intercept, stop, scorching, burning, beam, ray, charm, attractiveness, woe, grief or sorrow, soothing, calm, relieving pain, shade, shadow, unafraid, courageous, flames, blazes, brave, bold or gallant, unprotected, uncovered or unsafe. Name tree. My lovely name that intercepts sun's scorching beam, yet bears the heat all day without the rain's refreshing spray. Though charms the wanderers woe away with soothing shade. How strong you are, how unafraid, how green thy leaves in spite of all the midday flames that burning fall upon thy unprotected head. Now the explanation of this stanza. Stanza number 1. In these lines, poetess admired a neem tree. She said that neem tree is great example of self-sacrifice because all the day a neem tree holds a burning rays of the sun in it and provides comfortable shadow without taking the refreshing spray of the rain. Someone who stays under the neem tree forgets his all the worries and feels relaxed. Now the stanza number 2. In these lines, poetess addressed a neem tree. She said a neem tree is so much brave and courageous because It faces midday burning flames with its uncovered head, so still its leaves seem green. That is the symbol of its great braveness and courage. Word meaning for the next two stanzas: sheltering, protecting, sorrow, pain, wise, moral weakness, steadfast, firm, fate, lucky or destiny, loftiest, exalted or noble in character, fulfillment, completion. Could man be bold as thou and rise above the earth with the sheltering arm to save the suffering ones from harm, from sorrows, poverty, and vice through sacrifice? Could man be steadfast and like thee face every fate? Would it not be fulfillment of life's loftiest dream, my lovely name? Explanation of the third stanza. In these lines, poetess says that people should like a neem tree and come forward to save the other people who are suffering from troubles, pains, vice, and poorness, to get them out by giving a sacrifice. Stanza number 4. In these lines, poetess said, if a man becomes like a neem tree and start facing all the difficulties and sorrows with dare that he can resolve all the matters by himself, then he will complete highest dream of his life. Dear student, in this poem, the neem tree, poetess teaches to live for others. She gave the example of neem tree, which is always ready sacrifice for others. The neem tree itself steadfastly stand in the burning sunshine, yet it gives shadow, calmness, and comfort to others. Its aim is nothing but to serve others. Poetess tells us how the tree bears the scorching sunbeams, but despite bearing all the hardship, it always distributes comforts to others. The main lesson of the poem is to live for others, sacrifice for others without expecting anything in return. Dear student, neem is a famous tree, also called miracle tree or miraculous neem. It serves human beings in many ways. In the burning summertime, it supplies utter relief and calmness by providing shadow to the travelers and walkers. Trees need the rain and water to grow and to keep greener, but even if there is no rain, neem tree is always standing there to help us. So we see the central idea of the poem. What is the central idea? This is a great poem teaching us a lesson of sacrifice through an example of a courageous tree. Poetess emphasized people should realize each other's problems and resolve them by giving sacrifices and be firm footed. This is moral of the poem. What is the moral of the poem? Always help others without expecting the return. Give comfort to others. Help others when they are in trouble, and be always ready to sacrifice for others. Be kind, helpful, and caring to your friends, parents, siblings, and also for others human beings. Home task: answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who has written the poem The Name Tree? Question number 2. How can the name tree prevent the burning heat of the sun from troubling us? Question number 3. Why does the poetess say that the name tree is unafraid? Question number 4. How does the poetess compare the name tree to a man? Question number 5. What lesson does the name tree teach? Question number 6. What does the name tree look like? Kindly do the given task on your fair copy. There is also one little task for you, dear student. I request all of you kindly plant a one tree of neem at your home. Thank you. Stay home and be safe. God bless you to all.